Christmas, everyone! Today we are going to make a delicious no-bake chocolate chip cake with almond and pistachios this Christmas season. Let's get started with a pack of crackers of your choice. Into small pieces and put into a mixing bowl. We also need half cup chopped pistachio, add into a bowl. Also add half cup almond powder. Mix together the crackers, pistachios, and almond powder. You can now pour in melted chocolate of your choice. Mix until everything is well combined. By the way, let me know which country you're watching this video from, so I can see how far this video can go. Hello Mesel Arango from the Philippines, thank you for watching. Pour the mixture in a prepared baking pan with parchment paper. Smooth the top. To look more festive, add some sprinkles. Allow the cake to cool in the fridge for an hour. Once the cake has cooled down, cut a piece of sliced of this heavenly cake and enjoy this moist, rich cake that is packed with chocolatey, nutty, and crunchy flavors. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Thank you for watching.